Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer. Thank you for tuning into this video. Gold and silver bulls step in to buy the dip. Bullish people in the world of precious metals are taking advantage, using this opportunity to lower their dollar per cost average and get silver for cheaper. It's like a discount sale. Most people right now are hesitant and skeptical at these times, but people who understand the fundamental value that silver brings to the table just see this as a big bargain sale. But anyways, the link to this article will be in the description, so let's jump into it. Gold and silver prices are modestly higher and near their daily highs in midday U.S. trading Tuesday. Following recent selling pressure, the bullish traders decided to do some bargain hunting today to buy the dip in prices. Still, safe haven metals are facing stiff headwinds amid scant a risk version in the global marketplace at present. December gold futures were last up to $2.30 at $1,459 an ounce. December COMEX silver prices were last up 14 cents at $17.35 an ounce. Global trader investor risk appetite remained upbeat Tuesday, following reports that the top trade negotiators from the U.S. and China held a telephone conversation Monday, with the Chinese press reporting the two sides had reached a consensus on properly resolving the latest issues. President Trump also said Tuesday China is in the final throes of a Phase 1 trade deal with the U.S. stock indexes push towards more new record highs Tuesday, which did limit the upside for the safe haven gold and silver markets. Now, stock market setting record highs, U.S.-China trade negotiations going fairly well. This is going to be very hard for precious metals to break through, and this is why once these things blow over and the prices go back up, this is a perfect opportunity to buy your precious metals, especially around the holidays. Whether you're buying it for friends or family, whether you're buying some silver for yourself with the Black Friday deals, this is an opportunity to buy precious metals under the $17 mark, because more than likely, once U.S.-China trade negotiations start going south again, or once stocks start becoming more volatile, which they definitely will, gold and silver is going to be the safe haven thing to turn to, with prices pushing back up. So, a report said Tuesday the consumer demand for gold from its two largest consuming nations, China and India, is declining. The report said weaker local currencies have made gold more expensive for consumers to purchase, including increased duties from India's government. The key outside markets today see the U.S. dollar index slightly lower. NYMEX crude oil prices are firmer and trading around $58.25 a barrel. Now, technically, December gold futures closed $3 at $1,406 today. Prices closed near the session high and scored a mildly bullish outside day up today. The bears still have slight overall near-term technical advantage, as prices have been trending lower for 11 weeks. Gold bulls' next upside near-term price breakout objective is to produce a close above solid technical resistance at $1,500. Bears' next near-term downside price breakout objective is pushing prices below solid technical support at $1,425. First resistance is seen at $1,465, then $1,475. First support today is seen at $1,449, and then $1,446. So it looks like gold is definitely holding above its support. As right now, gold's at $1,454. So it's holding above the support lines, pushing against the resistance. So gold looks to be in a very interesting state, but it definitely still is holding its ground, and that's really what we need for silver and gold. I mean, for them to be stagnant, to build some support right now is definitely good. You never want gold and silver to just be skyrocketing upwards, because that's a huge indicator that a huge crash will be happening. And around the holidays right now, a lot of people might be selling their gold and silver, liquidating, capitalizing on some profits so they can spend Christmas and the holidays, or maybe travel with family. So it could be something to push against prices, but right now they're holding their ground regardless of U.S.-China trade negotiations, regardless of the dollar index, which is definitely something that we need in the world of precious metals to build some stability against, and this is a barrier against things like this, so it's definitely still good news. December silver futures closed at 15 cents at $17.04 today. Prices closed near the session high and scored a mildly bullish outside day up today. the silver bears still have the slight overall near-term technical advantage. Prices have been trending lower for 11 weeks. Silver Bull's next upside price breakout objective is closing prices above solid technical resistance at $17.50 an ounce. The next downside price breakout objective for bears is closing prices below solid support at $16.50 an ounce. First resistance is seen last week's high of $17.21 and then at $17.50. Next support is seen at today's low of $16.78 and then last week's low of $16.70. December New York or NY copper closed up 290 points today as 267 cents today. Prices closed near the session high today and scored a bullish outside day up on the daily bar chart. The copper bulls today gained the slight overall near-term technical advantage. Copper Bull's next upside price breakout objective is pushing and closing prices above solid technical resistance at the November high of 273 cents. The next downside price breakout objective for bears is closing prices below solid technical support at 255 cents. First resistance is seen at today's high of 267 cents and then at 270 cents. First support is seen at 265 cents and then at today's low of 263 cents. So a lot of things happening. I'm definitely thrilled to see that regardless of the U.S.-China trade negotiations coming to some agreement, regardless of stock markets still setting record highs, the gold and silver are still holding their ground. This is building support, and this is going to show as industrial demand, which is one of the key influential things in the price margin of gold and silver, are going against it. But industrial demand is rising, and this shows that they're paying premiums, so they know that silver and gold are precious and they are very scarce. Scarcity is the word of the day for precious metals because the industrial demand is still rocketing and is going to keep rising, especially once gold and silver head on the move into a rally standpoint. People becoming more speculative will invest, and this could use for both ways. It even says in the report that the two largest consuming nations, China and India, is declining. So the supply is definitely diminishing, but the demand is going to be booming. And this shows that right now gold and silver are a ticking time bomb, just waiting. But right now, this is your opportunity to buy silver for cheaper. Are you one of those people that wish you had more silver, or you're watching these unboxings? Don't beat yourself up if you don't have as much as you want. You're never going to have. Even if you have 10,000 ounces, you're still going to feel like you need more. There's never going to be fulfillment when it comes to a nice range, but at least if you have 1 ounce of silver, you're still more wealthy than most people on the planet. Most people don't invest into gold and silver. And actually 99% of people that invest into silver and gold invest into the ETF side of it. So they're still on the digital side. So if you're investing in the physical bullion, which most of us on this channel do, you're doing something right. If you can't hold it, you don't own it. That's a saying of the stackers, and gold and silver bring intrinsic value, and it's definitely something that you need to take advantage of right now as prices are lower with things going against it. It's just an opportunity, and this is why the main topic of this article today is the bullish investors are buying the dips. Buy low, sell high. You're supposed to buy low, sell high. Most people buy high and sell low. They buy high when media is talking about it, when it's all over YouTube, all over the news blogs, articles. But then when it goes low, then they panic sell in fear that it's going to keep going lower, and you don't want to do that. You want to be someone who buys low, sell high. That's investing 101. That's how you make profits. Get it for cheaper, sell it once it starts appreciating in value. And that's what the goal is today. That's where everything is leading up to in the world of precious metals. So just to recap, gold and silver holding their support lines, pushing against resistance levels. U.S.-China trade negotiations are going good. They're having telephone conversations, resolving the issues. Two largest consuming nations, China and India, are declining with its silver and gold consumption. U.S. dollar index is slightly lower. And yeah, it's looking like it's pretty good right now. So anyways, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like button. Gold's up to $1,453 right now. Silver's at $16.92. Let's see if it can stay below, or let's see if it can stay above those support lines and hold into the holiday weekend. Hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving. Hope you guys spend it with friends and family, and there's lots of love in the air. And hopefully you guys take advantage of these Black Friday sales. Modern Coin Mart, link will be in the description. That's the best place to get your gold and silver for cheap with the Black Friday deals, because you can buy lots of 5 and 15, especially for the new pandas that just came out, the 2020 pandas. Link is in the description. Also, make sure to join my Patreon if you want access to exclusive Patreon only silver giveaways, my weekly newsletter, or if you just want personal investing tips. I will do all that for you. The tiers are 5, 15, and 30, and everything under the boat. If you want to check it out, link will also be in the description. Thank you for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I will see you guys soon. Peace.